Welcome in new exciting video, grade 2, subject environmental study, and the lesson name is uses of water, part 2. In this lesson, we are going to learn these points. The first point is use of water for living things. The second point is the importance of water. So let's start.
My dear students, in this lesson we have learnt the uses of water for living things. Now in this video we are going to learn about the importance of water. Already we have seen that all living things need water. What will happen if there is no water? Let us find out. See these two pictures. If plants do not get water, they will start drying. If they do not get water for many days, for a longer time, they will dry and die. What happens if we don't get water to drink? We will feel thirsty. We will feel tired. If we don't drink water for a longer time, we may fall ill also. We need to keep ourselves clean by taking a bath. If there is no water, we cannot take a bath. We may become sick because of germs. Animals also need water. If they do not get water to drink, they too will become sick. And after that, they will die. Water is important, so we should not waste water. What do you do with the leftover water in your water bottles? Do you throw it away? No, I will not throw the water away. I will water the plants. We should use leftover water in our bottles to wash our hands and water plants. We all get water from rain. What happens if there is little rain? There will be less water. When we do not get enough water for our use, we have a shortage of water. See, it's raining. If the rain is not there for a longer time, we have a shortage of water. Imagine a day without water. See the picture of shortage of water. It is also called a drought. Observe the picture. This is the water cycle. Because of hot sun, the water become water vapors. Water vapors are lighter than the air, so it moves upward in the sky. In the sky, it became clouds. When the clouds become heavier, then it rains. That rain water will add in the river, lake, pond, sea. That fresh water we are using in our daily life. The water cycle is the path that all water follows as it moves around earth in different states. Water vapor, a gas, is found in Earth's atmosphere. Water can be found all over the earth, in the ocean, on land, and in the atmosphere also. My dear students, today we have learnt about importance of water. All living things need water, so we should not waste water. We should use the leftover water in our bottles to wash hands or water plants. My dear students, today we have learnt about importance of water. All living things need water, so we should not waste water. We should use the leftover water in our bottles to wash hands or water plants. Thank you.